Hello friends, today we start with chapter 7 coordinate geometry for class 10 theory part number 2. Please remember things, see here. Please subscribe this channel, like, comment and share this video. Here that is the important things and important topic for the coordinate geometry and to find the distance formula. Here the distance between the 2 points A x1 y1, there are 2 points. Do not lies on the axis, that point lies on the quadrant. Point A lies on A x1 y1 and B point is x2 y2. Point A is x1 y1 and point B is x2 y2, and the distance between the 2 points AB, that is equal to square root x1 minus x2 square plus y1 minus y2 square. Distance of 2 points A and B, AB is equal to square root x1 minus x2 square plus y1 minus y2 square. Otherwise x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square, it is also possible. Here the distance between the points A and B is also denoted by d of AB. D means distance of AB, that is equal to AB, that is equal to x1 minus x2 square plus y1 minus y2 square. Similarly, the distance between any points AX1y, AXY, distance between any point AXY and from the point O origin, 0, 0, O, 0, 0. The distance between any point AXY, that point lies in any quadrant, and from the origin O, 0, 0, OA, O, between O and B, distance between point A, O and A, OA is equal to square root x square plus y square. OA is equal to square root x square plus y square. That means OA distance between these 2 points is equal to square root x square plus y square. Square root of first point and second point. So ये दोनों points का coordinate of x square plus coordinate of y square. Then find the distance between these 2 points, between point A and point origin. And the formula for AB, means distance AB, can also be written as AB square equal to x1 minus x2 square plus y1 minus y2 square. Means squaring of both the sides. Therefore, AB square is equal to x1 minus x2 square plus y1 minus y2 square. Most of formula we apply in the questions. सारे एग्जाम्पल्स में हम ये फॉर्मूला का यूज करेंगे क्योंकि हमें स्क्वायर रूट फाइंड करने में थोड़ी इजी रहता है. ओके, इसीलिए AB square is equal to x1 minus x2 square plus y1 minus y2 square. Point A is x1 y1, point B is x2 y2. Here the properties of the distance formula. You remember this all this property. Here x1 y1, b x2 y2 and c x3 y3 are the 3 points, are the 3 given points in the coordinate plane. Or all point lies on the quadrant. Distance of AB is always greater than or equal to 0. Distance of AB, that is equal to AB, that is always greater than or equal to 0, because distance is always a non-negative real numbers. Okay. If A and B both points are same, if and only if distance of AB is equal to AB, that always be 0, because here point A is 1, 2, point B is also be a 1, 2. Then distance of between these 2 points, 1 minus 1 plus 2 minus 2, that is equal to square 1 minus 1 square plus 2 minus 2 square, that is always be 0. Distance between this point is 0, that means both points are equal. Here distance of AB is equal to distance of BA. AB is always equal to BA. Okay. Distance of AB is 5 units, therefore distance of BA is also BA 5 units. Distance of AB plus distance of BC is greater than or equal to distance of AC. That is AB plus BC greater than or equal to AC. Always distance between these 2 points, AB and BC, the sum of these 2 distance is always greater than or equal to AC होता है. Not less than or equal to AC, not less than AC. Okay. Here that condition, property number 4. If ABC are collinear, means all points lies on the same line. ABC are collinear and A C. B point lies between A and C. Therefore, collinear points is AB plus BC, distance between AB plus BC, that is also equal to AC. Then AB plus BC is equal to AC. If ABC are non-collinear, otherwise collinear. If ABC are non-collinear, otherwise collinear, but B dash A dash C or A dash C dash B. B dash A dash C, otherwise A dash C dash B. Then AB plus BC is always greater than AC. AB plus BC is always greater than AC. AB plus BC is always greater than AC. Okay. Thank you very much.